Hello friends, myself Tribhuvan Kumar and this lovely and smart kid is Master Tanmay. He is a student of 7th standard in BR DAV Public School, Begusaraye. He has launched a YouTube channel, TED Talks by Isan. So he will be talking about several general knowledge topics and certain other different type of topics also. In this first episode, he will be talking about countries, capitals of different countries, national emblem of different countries, parliaments of different countries. So it will certainly beneficial in increasing our general knowledge also, and so let's motivate him. If you like this episode, you please subscribe to his YouTube channel, TED Talks by Isan,
And
and also
and also check out the channel Fulfill Your Dreams.
right. So, Master Isan Tanmay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So we will be talking about capitals of different countries.
Okay.
I will request you to have some louder voice so that everybody can listen very clearly.
Okay.
So first question from you is, what is the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
Kabul. Correct answer. So you scored 1/1. Now next question is, what is the capital of Albania?
Tirana.
Again the correct answer. So you scored 2/2. Tirana is the capital of Albania. Please name the capital of Hungary.
Budapest.
Again correct answer. So you scored 3/3. Now the next question is, name the country. The capital, which capital name is Buenos Aires.
Argentina.
Argentina. Again correct answer. So you scored 4/4. What is the capital of Australia?
Australia.
Yes,
Canberra.
Canberra. So correct answer. So you scored 5/5. What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Correct answer. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. So you scored 6/6. You are scoring 100%. That's very good thing. Can you name the capital of Austria?
Vienna.
Vienna. Again the correct answer. So you are 7/7. Vienna is the capital of Austria, and you know Austria is a European country, no? So next question from you is, what is the capital of Angola?
Angola.
Yes,
Luanda.
Luanda. So Luanda is the capital of Angola. So you score 8/8, right? So next question from you is, what is the capital of Greece?
Athens.
Athens. So correct answer. Athens is the name of the capital of Greece. What is the capital of Guatemala?
The capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City.
Guatemala City. Again the correct answer. So many congrats to Isan Tanmay, who has scored perfect 100%, 10/10. So keep it up, Isan. We will going to the next question, next 11th question. Can you name the country which capital is Berlin?
Berlin, Germany.
Very good. So Berlin is the capital of Germany. You know, earlier Germany was having two parts. There were two countries like West Germany and East Germany. Berlin used to be the capital of East Germany, and Bonn is the used to be the capital of West Germany. When both these two countries united, then the Berlin became the capital of this unified country as a whole, Germany, right? So you have scored 11/11. What is the capital of Ghana?
Ghana. Libreville.
No, you have
Accra.
Accra. So now you have given correct answer. So you are scored 12 by 12. Accra is the capital of Ghana. So now let us move to the 30th question. What is the capital of France?
Paris.
Paris. So correct answer, Paris is the capital of France. So you have scored 13 out of 13. What is the score of capital of Guinea?
Guinea. Conakry.
Conakry. So Conakry is the capital of Guinea. So you have scored 14 out of 14. Now next question is what is the capital of Namibia?
Namibia.
Yes.
I'm not sure about that.
Windhoek. Windhoek is the capital of Namibia. So you missed this question. So now your score is 14 out of 15. 14 out of 15 your score is. Next question from you is, what is the capital of Mauritius?
Port Louis.
Very good. Good. Port Louis is the capital of Mauritius. So now your score is 15 out of 16. You have given one wrong answer. What is the capital of Ethiopia?
Ethiopia, Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa. Again, you have given a correct answer. So Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. So your score is 16 out of 17. What is the capital of Denmark?
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. So Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark. So again, your score is now 17 out of 18. What is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
Wellington. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand. So your score is now 18 out of 19. What is the capital of Mexico?
Mexico City.
Mexico City. Correct answer, Mexico City is the capital of Mexico. So your score is now 19 out of 20. So what is the capital of Malaysia?
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. So again the correct answer. So your score is 20 out of 21. Again, what is the capital of Finland?
Finland. Helsinki.
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 Right, you are correct. So Helsinki is the capital of Finland. So your score is now 21 out of 22. Again, what is the score of score no. What is the capital of? So can you name the country whose capital is Beijing?
China.
China. You know nowadays what for China is famous?
Coronavirus.
Right. Well, can you name the city which is believed to be the origin of coronavirus?
Wuhan.
So now your score is 21 out of 22, and Beijing is the capital of China, right? So next question is, Ulaanbaatar is the capital of which country?
Ulaanbaatar.
You don't know, I think. This is the capital of Mongolia.
Mongolia.
So now you are 21 out of 23. You have given, you have missed two questions. So 21 out of 23. Can you tell me Nicosia is the capital of which country?
UP.
Nicosia. Nicosia.
Achha. What?
Nicosia is the capital of which country?
Hibiscus.
No.
UP.
Cyprus.
Cyprus.
Again, you have missed this question. So now you are 21 out of 24. Nicosia is the capital of Cyprus.
Cyprus.
Can you name the country which capital is Bogota?
Bogota, Colombia.
Colombia. Correct answer. So you are now 22 out of 25. Colombia is a country and its capital is Bogota. Can you name the capital of country Chile?
Santiago.
Santiago. Correct answer. So 23 out of 26. Santiago is the capital of Chile. Can you name the capital of country, this Malaysia?
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur. So now you are 24 out of 27. What is the capital of Morocco?
Rabat.
Rabat. Correct answer. So 25 out of 28 you have given correct answer of 25 questions out of 28 questions, right? So next question is what is the capital of Bulgaria?
Sofia.
Sofia. Correct answer. So 26 out of 29 you have scored. What is the capital of Belgium?
Brussels.
Very good. So now Brussels is the capital of Belgium. So you have scored 27 out of 30. Belgium is a European country, you know. You must be knowing Belgium is a European country. Can you name the capital of Bhutan?
Bhutan, Thimphu.
Thimphu. Very good. So you are now 28 out of 31. You must be heard the one name Doklam. So Doklam is situated in Bhutan, where the dispute between India and China was going on regarding the border dispute. Can you name the capital of Brazil?
Brasilia.
Brasilia. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. So now your score is 29 out of 32. Very good, Isan. Good going. What is the capital of Cuba?
Havana.
Havana. So now you have 33 out of 33.
30, yeah.
30 out of 33. Now next question is, what is the capital of El Salvador?
San Salvador.
San Salvador. So this is the 31st correct answer from you out of 34th questions, right? So very good going by Isan. What is the capital of Cameroon? Cameroon. What is the capital of Cameroon?
Yaoundé.
Yaoundé. Very good, Isan. You have given 32nd correct answer out of 35 questions. So very good going. Yaoundé is the capital of Cameroon. Can you say the how many countries are recognized by United Nations?
How many countries?
Are recognized by United Nations?
I'm not sure about that.
193 countries. The 193 countries have been recognized by United Nations. Anyway, I am not counting it in the under the question. So, next question from you is, what is the capital of Canada?
Canada, Ottawa.
Ottawa. Very good. So Ottawa is the capital of Canada. So you have given 33 correct answer out of 36. What is the capital of Czech?
Czech. Prague.
Prague. Very good. So Prague is the capital of Czech Republic. Prague. Generally we used to pronunciate it as a Prague. Prague is the capital of Czech. So you have scored 34 number out of 37. What is the capital of Costa Rica?
San Jose.
San Jose. Very good. So now you are 35 out of 38. What is the capital of this Finland?
Helsinki.
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 So 36
just can't pronounce.
out of 39. So well going. Now this is the last question from the capital of countries. Can you name the country whose capital is La Paz.
La Paz.
You are missing it.
Yes, I'm missing.
Can you recall it?
No, I can't.
Bolivia.
What?
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
So, in the capital and countries section, you have scored 36 marks out of 40. So, 90% of the answers given by you are correct. So, well going, Isan. Next time, I think you will have a further better performance on this episode, because only capital and countries of 40 numbers of capital and countries have been asked by you, out of which you have given correct answer of 36, right? So now we will be moving towards parliaments of name of parliament of different countries, right?
Okay.
So first question from you is, what is the name of parliament of Afghanistan?
Shambo.
Shura.
Shura.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the wrong answer given by you. So now you are 36 out of 41. 36 out of 41. Shura is the name of the parliament of Afghanistan. What is the name of the parliament of Britain?
Parliament.
Parliament. So you are now 37 out of 41. 42. Now, what is the name of the parliament of India?
Parliament Sansan.
Very good. So now your score is 38 out of 43, right? What is the name of the parliament of Iran? Majlis. So this is the 39th correct answer given by you out of 44 questions.
43?
No, 44 questions. So, can you name the country whose parliament name is Knesset? Yes.
Israel.
Very good. So, 40 correct answer given by you out of 45. What is the name of the parliament of Japan?
Died.
Very good. So, this is 41 out of 46. What is the name of the parliament of Germany?
Germany.
Yes.
In 1 minute. Bundestag.
Very good. So this is 42 out of 47. I think you have given correct answer of a relatively difficult questions. What is the name of the parliament of Malaysia? Majlis. Very good. So this is 43 out of 48. What is the name of the parliament of USA?
Congress.
Very good. So you are now 44 out of 49. What is the name of the capital of parliament of Netherlands?
Netherlands. State General.
Very good. So now you are 45 out of 50. What is the name of the parliament of Nepal?
Rashtriya Panchayat.
Very good, Isan. So you are now 46 out of 51. What is the name of the parliament of Poland?
Sejm.
Very good. So now you are 47 out of 52. Sejm is the name of the parliament of Poland. What is the name of the parliament of Spain? Croats. Again, very good answer by you. So you are now 48 out of 53. What is the name of the capital of parliament of Mongolia?
Riksdag.
No. Khural. So now you are 49 out of 55, right? What is the name of the capital of Norway?
Norway. In 1 minute. Starting.
So now you are 50 out of 56. Starting is the name of the parliament of Norway. So good going by Isan. You have scored till now 50 out of 56, right? So next we will be going for the national emblems of different countries. So let's start it. Till now your score is 50 out of 56. Now come to what is the national emblem of Australia?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Good answer. 51 by 57. Kangaroo is the national emblem of Australia. What is the name of the national emblem of New Zealand?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Good answer. 52 out of 58. What is the name of the national emblem of Canada?
1 minute. Canada.
Yes.
White lily.
Very good answer. So you are now 53 out of 59. White lily is the national emblem of Canada. What is the national emblem of Denmark?
A beach.
Beach. Very good. So you are now 54 out of 60. Beach is the national emblem of Denmark. What is the name of the national emblem of France?
France. White lily.
Lily. So now your score is 55 out of 61. Lily is the national emblem of France. What is the national emblem of Germany?
Germany. 1 minute.
So you are missing it?
White lily.
No. White lily is the national emblem of Canada, yeah. So cornflower. Cornflower is the national
cornflower.
emblem of Germany. So now you are 55 out of 62. Cornflower is the national emblem of Germany. What is the national emblem of Iran?
Rose.
Rose. So 56 out of 63. Rose is the national emblem of Iran. Can you say white lily is the national emblem of another country also, other than Canada? What is
Italy.
Italy. Italy is a country whose national emblem is white lily. So now you are 57 out of 64. What is the national emblem of Ireland?
1 minute. Ireland. White eagle.
No. Shamrock.
Samrock.
So this is the 8th wrong answer given by you. So now you are 57 out of 65. Shamrock is the national emblem of Ireland. What is the national emblem of Pakistan?
Crescent.
Crescent. So 58 out of 66. Crescent is the national emblem of Pakistan. What is the national emblem of Spain?
Eagle.
Eagle. So now you are 59 out of 67. What is the national emblem of USA?
Golden rod.
Golden rod. So you are now 60 out of 68. Golden rod is the national emblem of USA. So can you name the country whose national emblem is rose once again, other than Iran?
UK.
UK. Again you are right. So 69, 1 out of 69. Rose is the national emblem of UK as well as Iran also. What is the national emblem of Poland?
White eagle.
White eagle is the national emblem of Poland. So this is the end of this episode. In this episode, 70 questions had been asked from Master Ishan Tanmay, consisting of capitals, parliament and national emblems. So out of 70 questions, Master Ishan Tanmay has given correct answer of 62 questions. So he has scored 62 out of 70. Approximately